Rachel's Tesla Model 3 helped her prevent an accident on Singapore's PIE highway last week. She's not alone. In a recent poll, 2/3 of Tesla owners shared that their Tesla helped them prevent an accident, with stories accounting how their Tesla took quick maneuvers around other drivers in tough spots and even helped them prevent hitting a moose in a dark highway. Teslas have a reputation for safety, winning awards, getting the highest safety rating in many global tests. Today, Rachel and I are here to share a story to bring this to life, because I believe that facts don't move people, stories do. Click subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. We're inside Rachel's Tesla Model 3. Rachel, can you tell us what happened last week?
Yeah, I think I was driving on the PIE. That's quite near Toa Payoh. And then there were a couple of lanes. I was trying to filter into the main highway. And then there were cars like filtering in and out. So I think it was very helpful that the car helped me to do an emergency brake. And I think it helped me avoid collision. But maybe for a start, I'll show you the video. So I just go to the dashcam feature here. Then I'll click here. So this will happen in Toa Payoh. They'll tell you the location. So this is me and the smaller lane. Then after that, I'll just move forward a little bit. You see the red dot is where the incident happened. So what happened is after they did the brake for me, after the Tesla did the brake for me, they actually recorded a footage automatically and even tell me the location, so it was quite helpful. So this is the part. I'll just pause here. Yeah, this is me past Toa Payoh, driving on PIE. So I was trying to filter to this lane and there were a couple of cars like going in and out. I was watching this taxi and this vehicle, but I didn't know that this yellow taxi was also trying to filter in the lane. Yep, and so we go.
That was the very moment.
Yeah, that's right. But if you see it from the video, it seems like there's quite a lot of buffer. I would say that I was also able to react in a way because I was pressing the brake, but what the Tesla car did for me was even a harder brake, so it kind of jerked a little bit. I also think it might be due to the settings. Maybe they set a buffer zone, buffer distance. Maybe, I'm not sure whether should we try and check it out from here, safety feature. It's under safety, right? Here. It's under...
You can also find it under autopilot.
Autopilot.
So autopilot's where you see a lot of additional safety features as well. So like the blind spot camera, the collision warning chimes, speed limit warning, forward collision, which helped a lot of drivers.
I think it was this. So if I'm a normal driver, I will be this. But I think this is a default feature. I didn't touch the car since I got it. So I think that's the reason why it broke. It broke much earlier.
Would you say that without the Tesla, an accident would have likely happened?
I would think so. Because I mean, as a human, as a driver, right, I can't drive and like maintain view of all lanes at all times. So I was actually really focused on my lane and the right lane. So actually, I would say it's a kind of a blind spot because I didn't notice there were so many things happening across 3 lanes. So this is what the Tesla car was really helpful in because they are able to see the surrounding, which I couldn't.
Thank you for sharing, Rachel. I agree. And in this particular moment, in that clip, automatic emergency braking came in. So while Rachel's foot was 50% on the way on the brake, automatic emergency braking actually pushed it all the way down. So you actually felt that the brake went further down.
Yeah,
than
it
your own
down further than I expected. Yeah.
You can find this over here, down here. Automatic emergency braking. So Teslas have a lot of great safety features. They're not cheap, especially in Singapore, where a Model 3 now with current COE prices start at $235,000. However, our health and lives of our loved ones and our family are priceless. So I'm curious to hear from all of you if you have any stories to share about how a Tesla helped you prevent an accident. And Rachel, thank you so much for sharing your story and bringing Tesla safety to life.
You're welcome.
If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. The great thing about owning a Tesla is the community of owners who are happy sharing their experiences with each other, learning and guiding us in our transition to sustainable energy. So you can find more Tesla owners by coming to TeslaCon Singapore on 11 November 2023 at Pasir Panjang Road. We'll see you there.